Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another video on my channel. We're starting off this year with this beautiful collaboration between myself and a company called Taqwa. I'm going to be unboxing the products that they've sent me, and we've also got two special things coming up. So we've got a 10% discount that you guys can use throughout the month of Ramadan, and also a giveaway for the UK and USA viewers. All the information will be in the link in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. And without any further delay, let me show you guys what they have sent me. Well, welcome to an unboxing of the Zikr ring by Taqwa. It is a collaboration with Taqwa. They've kindly sent me this ring and also sent me a whole bunch of products on the other video that I've just posted. Please go and check that. Link is in the description. And also I have a page called the Astighfar Club. So I've started an Astighfar Club where people from all around the world on a daily basis recite Astighfar and just check in with me through the Instagram stories that they've done it. We're doing that so we can get close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and bring loads of barakah in our lives. Link is in the bio for that, so check that out if you're on Instagram. So this is what the box looks like. On the outside, obviously you've got the Zikr ring by Taqwa, and here is the hologram of the ring. Verily in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. It comes in 3 sizes. I've went for the smallest 18mm ring. So here is the ring. You've got the information tag there. So we'll take the ring out just in a second, put it to one side, and we'll see what we get in the box. Nice padded cushion, and I think that's the instruction manual. Yep, that's the instruction manual, and it comes with a USB charger as well. The user manual, it's got all information in English, and you scan the QR code, download the app, and connect the ring via the app. Very easy to set up. It didn't take me long at all to set up. And now coming on the ring itself. So here is the 18mm ring, so the smallest size ring. Black on the outside, you got silver on the inside, and here, let me see if I can focus, you've got the charging port, and it is magnetic. And the reason why I went for the smaller size, so I can wear it on my pinky, nice and comfortable, and if I wanted to do my zikr, I can just, tap it as I go. The tech is all built in the Kaaba icon, and for size comparison, a big difference. Everything's connected to the app. So the ring itself has a rating of IP67, which is dust and waterproof, and on the app you can actually plan your zikr. I've used this now for a good few days, and subhanallah, when I say this, wallahi, I absolutely love it. It's taken my azkar from here to here. Honestly, it is an amazing product. If you want to do zikr, all you need to do is once it's connected, once it's switched on, all you need to do is tap it like this. Subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah. And as you can see, the ring flashes every time you tap it. It actually records it in real time as well. It also has salah reminders, so every time the salah comes in, the ring vibrates. And you can also put down zikr reminders, so every 2 hours it'll buzz if you wanted to, or an hour it'll buzz slightly to give you a gentle reminder that, look, it's time for you to do zikr. That is a quick unboxing of the Zikr ring by Taqwa. Go and purchase this. This is genuinely one of the best products I've unboxed and reviewed and I'm using on a daily basis. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for this on Taqwa's website. There is a discount code for Ramadan 2024. Again, that's in the description below, so please go and check that out. Thanks for watching, guys. Jazakallah khair. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.